Hello, I'm Veronica from Dorcas Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to thread a sewing machine. Welcome back to my sewing tips. So many of you may be a beginner, or maybe you just bought a new sewing machine, or you've got a second-hand one and you don't know how to thread it. Well, I'm going to show you today how to do that. Now, it's very easy. Most machines are basically the same, based on the same principle. So I'm going to show you how to thread this machine. This is a Janome 230 DC. Now, you don't have to have all loads of fancy stitches as a beginner. You can have a straight stitch, a zigzag and a buttonhole. As long as it does those, you're okay. Now, to thread the machine, I'm going to use polyester thread here. Now, this one's got a horizontal spool, or yours might have a vertical spool here. And I'm going to put it on the machine. So if you look here, you can see the thread's coming off this way. So that's how I'm going to place it onto the spool, the thread spool here. And then I'm going to put my little stopper here, if you can all see that. And then I'm going to follow what the diagram tells me to put it across here and around this little, what this is called, this is for the bobbin, like a bobbin disc. And you pull it through there tightly so it snaps into place. If you don't pull it tightly, it won't wind properly. And then it says I'm to put it across here. So I'm going to put it into this bobbin. As you can see, there's some holes in the top of the bobbin. And if you can see it there, but I'm going to put my thread through the hole just to stop it from coming out. Through there. Pop it onto the bobbin spool there and push it across. So I don't know if you can see, I had all lights, all the numbers and everything there earlier, but now I've pushed it across. I'll show you again, add all the stitch size, etc. Now I've pushed it across, it stops it. That means it's going to stop it from sewing. Now I'm going to press the button to wind the bobbin. So I press this one here. Oh no, sorry. To wind the bobbin, you press the presser foot here, which is down here. I'll just show you actually briefly. This goes under your foot as you press it, and it makes the machine stitch. So I'm going to put that on the floor. But in this case, it's not going to stitch it, it's going to just wind the bobbin. See how fast that's going? And when you've done a few winds there, you can just trim this bit off here. There you go. So it's winding nicely. And there's no need to worry about it over winding either and going too much. Because this here will stop it. When it gets to full, it will stop. It will stop winding. So just do a few winds there. I'm not going to go all the way because this is just for demonstration purposes. So once you've done that, you pull it across again and you can see all the lights have come back on. That means the machine is ready to sew. So I'm going to take that off there and I'm going to separate the bobbin from the thread. Trim it there, cut it there. Now, I'll put it there because I'm going to show you what to do with that afterwards. So we take this out. And it's got, as I said, it's got a diagram to show you how to thread your machine. Most machines nowadays have that. So it's got an arrow here, so I'm going to put it behind here. It's telling me to put it here behind here, so I'm going to place it behind there. And then it's actually numbered, so it's very easy. So it says number 1, so I place it in this slot here with number 1, and I follow it down. Follow it down there, can you see there? Number 2. And then it's got this like a U shape, it's telling me to go down and go back up. So it's like a U shape, pull it across there, up there, into this groove here. And that's number 3, it's got a number 3 here. And then now we've got here like a lever, I'm just going to show you. Let me just turn the knob and show you, see it moving, that lever there. Well, it's got a slit, like I just put it through. But you've got some older fashion machines where it hasn't got a slit. The old Singer's machine, if you bought a second-hand machine, for instance, and you'd normally thread it through there like that. Thread it through like that. But in this case, these modern machines have got like a slit behind it. So you can easily just pull it across like that and it just slots into the hole. Down into this groove here. Down here, down to here. Right down it says number 4. And there it's telling me to put it in this little slot here, there. And this slot here. So I'm going to do that now. And all I do now is, I don't know if you can see, just pull it there. Gosh, it's a bit fiddly. I've done it there. And then I'm going to thread the needle. So just snip it there to make it nice and neat to go through the needle. So you can put my presser foot down, my foot down. Put it down there so I can see better. And then pass it through the needle there, the needle hole there. And out the other end. Or some of you might have a needle threader. If it make it easier for you. And then what we're going to do next, remember when I wound the bobbin? Now we're going to show you how to put the bobbin in now. So what I'm going to do here, there's a little door here. You press this little button here and the door will flip open. Careful not to lose it now. Let's pop it there so you can see it. And then it's got in here, actually the bobbin here, just to show you, the bobbin actually shows you how to put it in. How to put it in. It's telling me which way to put the thread. So I put it in like this. So I put it in with it going anti-clockwise, with it hanging anti-clockwise like that. That's what it's telling me to do. And then I'll just put it in the slot there. And there's some little slits here, I don't know if you can see it with the camera. And it's telling me to pull it across there. Through the slits there. It's even got a little arrow here. It's really, really helpful. You put it there. And then I hold my other thread here. This is the top thread now. I'm holding it here, and I pull my hand wheel down, if you can see it. And I don't know if you can see that it's actually picking up the thread underneath, picking up the bobbin thread. It's actually picking it up. Put it there. It's actually, let's do it some more. It's actually picking it up. That's it. And I'll pull it down again so you can see what it's doing. So it's actually see there, it's pulled it out. It's picked it up there. See, that's how you get your bobbin thread to the top, and then you pull it through the foot there towards the back, and then you pop this back on. Pop that back on. There, I'm doing it the wrong way around there. And there you have it. That's your machine threaded. Very easy. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.